Welcome to Factful Finance, the place where smart money moves happen. Have you ever thought, what if I told you it's possible to turn $100 into $10,000 in a way that's actually smart and sustainable? It's not a fantasy, it's a strategy. Today, we're diving deep into how you can transform your hard-earned $100 into a tenfold return, and we're doing it the smart way. No get-rich-quick schemes, just proven, actionable steps. Let's start with some real-world clarity. According to a study by the Federal Reserve, nearly 40% of Americans don't have enough savings to cover a $400 emergency. Yet, every year, millions of people turn small sums into substantial wealth through a series of strategic decisions. You don't have to be a millionaire to make it happen. You just need to know where to direct your efforts and how to manage risk. Now, let's get into the strategy. This is how you can take your $100 and amplify it the smart way. Step 1. Start with the right investment vehicles. If you're looking to build significant wealth, investing is the most effective way to do it. The stock market, for instance, offers tremendous potential for growth. According to historical data from Standard & Poor's, the S&P 500 has returned an average of 7% annually after inflation over the past century. So, how do we use this? By investing in low-cost index funds or exchange-traded funds, ETFs. You can buy into these funds with a small amount of money, and over time, your initial investment grows exponentially, thanks to compounding. But here's the trick. Start early. If you invest $100 in an ETF that tracks the S&P 500 and let it grow at 7% annually, in 10 years, you'd have around $200. It's modest growth for the long term, but we can supercharge this. Step 2. Maximize risk with high-reward options, but do it smartly. When you're looking to ramp up your potential returns, there's a fine line between risk and reward. A part of your $100 could be used for higher-risk, high-reward assets, like individual stocks, cryptocurrency, or options trading. But here's the catch. You don't want to throw everything into this basket. Instead, use just a portion, say $20 of your $100, on these speculative plays. Take the example of someone like Noah, who invested $100 in cryptocurrency back in 2017. While many would have written it off, his small bet grew as Bitcoin skyrocketed. But remember, high-reward strategies like this come with volatility, so always understand the risks before jumping in. Step 3. Reinvest your earnings. Compounding is your best friend. Here's where the magic happens. Let's say you made a 10% return on your initial $100 investment. Nothing extravagant, just the start of momentum. Rather than cashing out that $10 profit, you reinvest it back into your portfolio. Over time, those small, consistent investments can grow exponentially. This is the core principle behind compound interest, and it's one of the most powerful financial concepts you can harness. Step 4. Explore passive income streams. Turning your $100 into $10,000 doesn't have to be about investing alone. Let's talk about other opportunities to build passive income. Have you considered starting a side hustle? Whether it's selling products on platforms like Etsy or creating content on YouTube, $100 can help you purchase the tools you need to get started. Maybe it's buying some inventory for dropshipping, investing in an online course, or setting up a website. Henry, for example, used $100 to start a small online shop selling customized t-shirts. Within a year, his revenue hit $1,500. With more reinvestment and scaling, he continued to grow his side income. The key here is consistency, investing time, effort, and smart strategies to scale your revenue. Step 5. Leverage the power of education. A great way to invest your initial $100 is in your financial education. Investing in books, courses, or even coaching can accelerate your knowledge and allow you to make better decisions in the future. Whether it's learning how to trade stocks, understanding real estate, or mastering cryptocurrency, education is one investment that always pays off. I'll give you an example. Amelia spent $100 on an online course about real estate investing. Within 6 months, she was able to apply what she learned to purchase her first rental property, which now generates passive income every month. A smart, well-researched investment in your future. Step 6. Take advantage of no-cost opportunities. Not all investments require an upfront financial commitment. Look for opportunities to earn money without spending much. Things like cashback rewards, online surveys, or affiliate marketing can all be ways to generate a return on your initial $100. These methods take time, but they can complement your other investment strategies. Here's the bottom line. Turning $100 into $10,000 is possible, but it requires the right approach. You need to be smart about where and how you invest, keep your risk balanced, and always look to compound your gains. But don't forget the power of continuous learning, and most importantly, the patience to watch your money grow over time. Now, what's the next step for you? Are you ready to start investing and building your wealth? Drop a comment below and let me know what strategy you're most excited to try. Or maybe you have a different method that's worked for you. Share it with the community. And if you want more financial breakthroughs, don't forget to hit subscribe so you can stay on top of the smartest money moves out there. You've got this. Let's take your finances to the next level. If you found this helpful, you're going to love the next video. Click the link on screen to learn more about how to build wealth the right way.